I'll be talking about their suggestions with respect to mask requirements in the workplace. So it should come to no surprise that ever since face coverings became mandatory, it's likely that you have come across videos or news stories about customers who refuse to wear a face covering while shopping at grocery stores or dining at restaurants. Hopefully none of you have had to deal with this situation in real life. So, but employers should be prepared on how to handle these situations if they ever do come up. Now, the playbook provides some guidance for employers in enforcing mask requirements at their establishments. And although it is deemed guidance, they're more similar to broad recommendations. And some of the recommendations include that employers advise employees on how to avoid approaching coworkers or customers who are not wearing a face covering for the purpose of enforcing the company's facial covering requirements, and that instead employees should continue to maintain social distancing and immediately report this incident to their supervisor. Now, the playbook recommends that the employer establish a streamlined and effective method of communicating between supervisors and upper management to coordinate proper handling of these type of situations. The playbook also recommends that employees should be trained on how to de-escalate confrontations and minimizing workplace violence. All employees should be advised to remain calm and not engage in back and forth argument with customers who refuse to wear face coverings. Now, as you may recall, the face covering mandate does carve out some exceptions, such as for those individuals with a medical or mental health condition or disability that prevents them from wearing a face covering. Now, in these situations, employers should engage in the interactive process to determine whether a reasonable accommodation may be provided to such customers. And this is on a case-by-case basis to determine whether one can be provided, if at all. And of course, confrontations may sometimes be inevitable. So in those situations, the playbook recommends that employers should contact their local law enforcement department and have them handle that situation. Not much there, pretty much things that all employers are already aware of, but something that they should be considered, especially because this is just such a hot topic issue.